In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a login form in Webflow. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine their skills, this tutorial will help you design a functional and aesthetically pleasing login form step by step. Webflow is a powerful tool that allows you to create responsive websites visually, and building a login form is a great way to enhance your site's capabilities. First, let's head over to webflow.com. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. This is your starting point to access all the amazing tools Webflow offers. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which displays all your existing projects. Select the site where you want to create the login form. Simply click on it and you'll be taken to the site's design interface. Next, let's add the elements necessary for our login form. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a plus icon labeled Add Element. Click on this to open the Elements panel. This panel is where you can find various components to build your page. For our purpose, we'll need to search for a form block. In the search bar within the panel, type a form block. Once you find it, drag and drop the form block onto your canvas. This is the foundation of your login form, and from here, you can start customizing it to fit your design needs. Now, let's tweak the form block to suit our login form requirements. By default, the form block comes with a button labeled Submit. We'll need to change this to something more relevant to our login form, like Login. To do this, click on the button within the form block, and you'll see options to edit its properties. Here, you can change the text to Login. This small change will make your form more intuitive for users. Once you've renamed the button, you might want to adjust the form's appearance to better fit your site's design. One way to do this is by adjusting the margins around your login form. This will help ensure that the form is properly aligned and spaced on your page, making it visually appealing and easy to use. To adjust the margins, click on the form block and then access the styling options. Here, you can tweak the margins to your liking, allowing the form to integrate seamlessly with the rest of your site layout. And there you have it. You've successfully created a login form in Webflow. This simple guide has walked you through the process from accessing Webflow to customizing your form. Remember, the key to a great login form is not just functionality, but also ensuring that it aligns with your site's design aesthetics. With Webflow, you have the flexibility to make that happen effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more features in Webflow to further enhance your web design projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.